it's an opportunity for them to come and get a feel for the campus, meet some people, faculty, students, staff, learn more about the opportunities that are here. And then I talked to a couple of students who were actually accepted, and one of the things they said was that, now that they know they're in, they're just trying to get a feel for whether this is the right fit or not. Is this the place where they want to continue their education? And the only way to do that is to come to campus, meet people, walk around, and get a look at what's here. Somebody said today, it seems like kind of a small group. And we said that we basically kind of do that by design. Graduate students are ready to make decisions on a slightly different schedule than our typical undergraduate student. So our goal is to have events at the time where the student is making that decision. So we will continue to host these kinds of programs throughout the year and have opportunities also for students who don't come to campus. We have a lot of students who live abroad or live far away and don't have this opportunity, but certainly we offer online opportunities to do that through chats and webinars and phone calls and conversations with our current students and faculty, because that's just a really important part of the decision process.
The most useful thing was the guided meeting with the faculty member, so I got to actually sit down with a faculty member and speak with him about what he's doing, what I'm doing, and how we could possibly work together.
Every opportunity or every professor, every department is different, so it's not just a matter of the courses that are listed on the curriculum or the pictures that you see on the web, but what's that sense of community? What kinds of interactions do students and faculty have together? What's that community that they're studying? And part of our lunch was great because it was a chance for the students who are considering RIT, those prospective students, to really meet each other and see the kinds of students that they'd be in community with. This group that I was just talking to talked about how nice it was to have 6 people in there meeting with the department because they shared information, learned things about each other, and came up with questions that they might not have had otherwise.
And it's helpful too because it's sometimes a little bit intimidating to reach out on your own, but to have this kind of segue is really beneficial.